Locked out of your 2023-2025 Nissan Versa because of a dead key fob battery? Don't panic. This video shows you how to unlock, open, and start your Versa even with a key not detected error. We'll cover the essential steps, bypassing the keyless system with simple mechanical methods. Your key fob contains a physical key that serves as a backup when the battery dies. Locate the small release button or latch on your fob. Slide the button or latch to release the mechanical key. This key unlocks the driver's side door manually. On newer models, the lock cylinder may be hidden under the door handle. Insert the physical key into the driver's side door lock cylinder. Turn the key to unlock and open the door. If you need to access the trunk, use the same physical key in the trunk lock cylinder, if your model is equipped with one. Once inside, even with a dead fob, you can start the engine. Press the brake pedal firmly. Then push the start button. If it doesn't start immediately, try holding the key fob directly against the start button or placing it on the center console. The key fob for your Nissan Versa uses a standard CR2032 3-volt lithium battery. You can replace it yourself with a few simple steps. You'll need a small screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery to get started. Use the screwdriver to carefully pry open the fob casing. Look for seams and work gently to avoid damage. Once open, carefully remove the old dead battery from its compartment. Insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive and negative terminals align correctly with the markings in the fob. Finally, snap the fob casing back together securely. Test the buttons to ensure everything works. If the vehicle doesn't recognize the fob after replacement, you may need to visit a dealer for reprogramming. Sometimes after replacing the key fob battery, the key not detected error still appears on your dashboard. This happens because the vehicle's software may not immediately recognize the fob. First, check your owner's manual for specific reset procedures that might resolve the issue without a trip to the dealer. If the manual doesn't help, take your vehicle to a Nissan dealer. They can reprogram the key fob to ensure proper recognition by the car's immobilizer system. Dealer reprogramming addresses software glitches and ensures your key fob works reliably again. Keep an eye out for recalls related to key fob detection issues, especially on 2025 models. Nissan has issued updates to address key not detected errors, sometimes resolvable with software patches. Class action settlements have even provided free battery kits to affected owners. Stay informed. Looking ahead, Nissan is moving towards smartphone apps and digital keys to reduce reliance on physical fobs. While the 2023-2025 Versa still uses mechanical backups, future models may include biometric options and virtual keys via Nissan Connect. Smartphone apps like Nissan Connect allow remote access to vehicle functions. You can lock doors, start the engine, or check status from your phone, making physical keys less necessary. Biometric options such as fingerprint recognition could replace traditional keys. By 2027, Nissan plans to integrate sensors for secure, contactless access, similar to advanced security systems. Digital keys use virtual tokens via apps for vehicle access. Nissan is exploring this technology, allowing entry through wireless signals and reducing the need for key fobs entirely. Energy harvesting fobs could recharge through movement or sunlight, addressing battery drain issues. Nissan is experimenting with these innovations to improve key fob reliability.